even know what this is called. I have no clue what this is called. How fast can I grow 4 inches? Hello, I'm Bri-Anne. Thank you so much for joining this video. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. And if you're new here, welcome. I relaxed my hair on a whim. I don't know what I'm doing. I've just been documenting the process, and today I'm going to be talking about my 2-month relaxer update. I relaxed my hair, I think, around November 27th. I'm gonna put the correct date. And today is January 30th. No, January 30th? Oh yeah. I'm gonna just be sharing what I've learned, what I'm using, and what length I'm at now, so that we can see how close I am to hip length. I'm not that close yet. So the first product I want to talk about is something I would consider to be my most reliable product now that I'm relaxed. Silicone mix. This is really funny to me and ironic because when I first started my natural hair journey back in like 2006 or so, because that's when I started doing my hair myself, I would go onto the long hair care forum, and the girls on there, relaxed and natural, but a lot of relaxed, would say that silicone mix was the bomb. Holy grail, the best, and it is. It absolutely is. This one has argan and Moroccan oil in it. I don't know if it makes much of a difference from the original, but it's an amazing deep conditioner that leaves my hair so moisturized. I literally take forever washing it out because my hair is so soft that I feel like it's still in there. So if you just relaxed your hair and you're looking for a great, affordable deep conditioner, try this. You can get it at your local beauty supply, I suppose. That's where I got mine. Yeah, so check there. Next up, I have the Giovanni 50/50 Balanced Hydrating Calming Conditioner. That name did not need to be that long. I love this. This replaced my Tresemme because I really wanted something that was healthier for my hair, and I found that this was just a really good replacement. Moisturizing, has really good slip, easy to comb my hair, so this is a yes. Next up, I have the Silk Elements Heat Protection line. I tried the glossing cream or glossing, found that was a little too thick and sticky for me, and I had been using the leave-in heat protectant, which I did like. It has a really nice coconut smell. The spray is good in moderation because if you use too much, it gets oily, but it really helped me to blow dry my hair easily, and I did like it. So I have a lot left in the bottle. I don't need to repurchase it, but I would unless I find something better. I keep my hair blow dried, at least if I'm trying to get the straight style. I don't like to flat iron it because I find that when I flat iron it, it's very like straight. It has almost no body, it tangles a lot. Any sort of tight, like restrictive style, for example, if I had it in a ponytail or whatever, it would get a really big bump and it would be hard to kind of brush it out. I find like this, it's more voluminous, it's bouncy, it just has a little more life, and I like that. Also, I find I can comb it a lot easier when it's just blow dried as opposed to flat ironed, because I was trying to comb it maybe every few days because wearing it straight, it tangles a bit, but I found that I was having a lot of breakage and shedding when I would do that when it was flat ironed. But so far with it blow dried, thumbs up, I like it. Next up is ruffles. So I normally call them hair ties if they're the really thin band kind of hair ties, but these I call ruffles, and these have been a lifesaver. I can't even explain. These I use to sleep in at night. I pineapple my hair. Is that a normal thing for people with like relaxed hair to pineapple it? Because I can't wrap it, so let me know if you want me to do a video on that. But I sleep in these. I mainly wear these throughout the day. If my hair is not down, it's gonna be up in my cute little ruffle, and it's so much better than the regular hair ties just because the ones that I had the little hot glue ridge on it, and it was just pulling out my hair now that it's like this. It was fine when I was natural because for whatever reason the curls wouldn't wrap around it too much, but it's a no. So these, I got a bunch of them from the dollar store. I'm sure you could get them on Amazon or wherever, but holy grail. I have them in a bunch of colors, like this baby pink and so many more. Honestly, they're like my babies. I don't even know what this is called. I have no clue what this is called. It's like a wrap thingy. Like, if you're gonna wrap your hair traditionally, I guess the girls do the wrap thing and then put this around it. I love this. I don't even know why. Like, if I'm gonna wash my face and my hair is in a bun or whatever, I would wrap this around so that it just keeps the hair out of my face. If I'm wearing like a bonnet or I have my hair in my pineapple at night, I just pop this on the front and I find that my bonnet won't slip off, and because it's perforated, it's really breathable. I have another one that's stretchier. It's more of an elastic kind of material, but I really like this one because it's just really firm and it doesn't move. Yeah, I find the other one slips and I don't like that. This is the way to go. Now I'm gonna show you the length. I've been back and forth though, because I don't really know which shirt to wear to like consistently measure the length. So right now I have a pink shirt. If it looks really crazy on camera, I think I'll change. But if you could, please let me know where I can get those shirts that have like the measuring lines on the back. If you could just comment and tell me so that I could use those for my videos. That way it's really clear how much it's grown. All right, okay, this is the shirt. Hopefully you're able to see if it measures properly. I brought measuring tape just in case we lose track with this shirt. Okay, so I'm putting it the center of my head here. We're gonna pull it down. Gonna pull on this a little. Stretched it. Okay, so it's about 24 inches. Yeah, 24 inches. So that's where we are. I want it to be 28 inches. So that's the goal, 28 inches. How fast can I grow 4 inches? So that's everything that I've been doing so far 2 months. I've also been noticing, I should have said, that this new growth that I have is challenging. It's challenging. It makes my hair very thick, which is good because I like the volume that it gives to my hair. It's not like stuck down like spaghetti, but I would like to get it relaxed again. So I guess we'll have to see when the lockdown lifts or how far we're able to push this and see. But so far with the blow drying, it's blended it pretty good. That's it for my 2-month update. I'm so excited for everything to come. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.